Hey everyone, welcome to Grammar Mechanics. Before starting the video, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let us begin our video. So today we're breaking down the 4 present tenses. Most people think present just means now, but in English there are actually 4 different ways to talk about the present. Let's dive in. The 4 types of present tenses are present perfect, present continuous, present simple, and present perfect continuous. First up is the simple present. So we use this for habits, facts, or things that are generally true. The formula for this is subject plus verb, and you can add s or es depending on the verb. So for example, in this sentence, she drinks coffee every morning. Here, she is the subject and verb is drink. So you add s in it because the subject is she and not I. If it would be I, you wouldn't add s or es. Okay. Next is the present continuous. This is for actions happening right now at this very moment. So the formula for this is subject plus am is are, so these depend on the subject. For example, if it is I, you're going to use am. If it is she, you're going to use is. And if it is a group of people, for example, they, you're going to use are. And then you add ing to the verb. So for example, in this sentence, I am recording a video. Here I is the subject, and because the subject is I, you add am with it, and the verb is record, and you add ing to it because it is present continuous tense. Now, let's look at the present perfect. This is one branch. It connects the past to the present. The formula for this is subject plus have or has plus past participle. So, for example, in this sentence, I have traveled to 3 countries. Here, I is the subject, and because the subject is I'm going to use have. If it would be someone else, I would have used has traveled to 3 countries. Here, traveled is the past participle because that has already happened. So this connects the past to the present. Finally, we have the present perfect continuous. So this describes an action that started in the past and it is still continuing, or it just finished. Because it's continuous, you know it's continuing, it's still working. The formula for this is subject plus have or has and been. Because it's perfect, you always use been. Plus verb ing. So you add ing to the verb. If it is I, we use have been. If it is she or he or they, we use has been. They is have been. So for example, in this sentence, it has been raining for 2 hours. Here it is the subject, and been and has been, that's what you're going to be using. And then raining. Rain is the verb and you add ing with it. Now, as always, here's the summary table provided. So you can just take a screenshot of it or note it down so you can revise the whole concept. Now, it's time for the questions. So there are 2 parts. One is to identify the tense, and the second is to fill in the blanks. If you need more time to find out the answers, you can pause the video. Now, the answer key. So here are the answers, and there's also the reason for it provided in brackets after each answer. So if you manage to make a mistake, you know why that was wrong, and you make sure you don't make that mistake in the future. That's it for this video. Make sure to give me topics you want me to make the next video on, and until then, bye bye.